So yesterday we were seeing about the XPath, and then we saw what is the tree structure, how to draw it, and then from the parent to child concept we saw. Okay, so that's what we saw yesterday. So today from child to parent, how to go. So this parent to child concept is called as here as the immediate child. Okay, so now we are going to see about the immediate parent. That is how to go from child to parent here. Okay, so for going for child to parent, I guess I'll just move this little bit down so that it will be easy for us to see. Okay, so to go from child to parent, what I need to do. So for example, this is one child. For example, this is one child. From this child, if I want to go to the parent, okay, how I can go. Okay, then from this child, if I want to go to this parent or this parent, so how I need to go over that, that's what we are going to see right now. Okay, so if I want to get this input name equal to username, so what I need to do, I need to give // input. Now what will happen, there will be two matches, this one and this one, correct? So I'll just put it over here. I'll just take it from here as of now. So I will be having two matches, this input box and then this input box. These both will be my output. So for that, there will be two text boxes. One will be for the first input box. The second will be for the second input box. Now if I give it as /input @name equal to username. Now what will be my output? If I give like this, so for me, I will get this alone, correct? So I'll take it from here. Then there will be one text box alone for me. So from this input box, if I want to go to the parent, so what I need to do? Okay, so for that, I'll go here. I'll open my Firepack. So from here, I'll click on this text box. So right now I'm here. Input name equal to username. So this is where I'm there. Okay. From here, if I want to go to the TD tag, so what I need to do? So I'll just go here, /input @name equal to. So if I give only input, there will be a lot of matches, 12 matches. Mine is actually what? @name equal to username. Now it will be perfectly one match. Clear? So from here, if I want to go to this TD tag, what I need to do? So simple. Before this input tag is the TD tag, right? So I need to come here at the beginning, before the input tag, give the parent tag TD, then open the square brace and then close the square brace here. So now what will happen? My output will be TD tag. That's what, okay? So help of the child, I'm coming to the parent means I need to give like this. See, I went to this TD tag. Okay, understood? Anyone has any questions? Clear, right? Okay, so simple. What I did means, so just /input @name equal to username we gave. If I want to come to this TD tag, the parent, I need to give TD. That's it. Now my output will be this TD tag. So that means if I go here, my output will be this TD tag. So that means again my output will be this text box, because the TD tag also is my text box only here. Now from this TD tag, if I want to go to the TR tag, just so simple, extra one thing, I need to give here extra TR tag. Before here, TR, open the square brace and then close the square brace. That's it. Clear? So for this one, what will be my output? My username, text, and then the text box both. Okay, so that means this entire information will be my output. So it will be my username, text, and then the text box. Clear? So from here, if I want to go to the T body, so simple extra only one thing. T body. Close the square brace. So now it will be like entire information. If I give table, also extra, so now it will be like this entire table will be my output. So this text. Okay. So understood, right? Everyone understood this parent to child relationship and then child to parent relationship? Can everyone ping me in the chat windows yes if you have understood it? Can everyone ping me in the chat windows yes if you have understood this parent to child and child to parent relationship? Cool, super. So now we'll see. So we have seen about the parent and child. So matching any element we'll see. What is this one? So simple. So right now I'm going to give double forward slash, I'll take something, table, I'll give. So totally 15 matches. So now if I give at the rate class equal to username, I'll give. So just a second, what is this? I'll just see. Okay, text fields table. Double forward slash table at the rate class equal to text fields table. Now 3 matching nodes are there. Getting? Totally 3 matching nodes are here. So here instead of table, I can also give star. Okay, so So what is the thing means? Star means it matches with anything. It can be anything. That's it. Okay. So now I'll just give /input. So here I'll just give @name equal to password. I'll give. Okay, one matching node. So if I give @ can I give? Yes. Now if you see 4 matching nodes. What are those 4 matching nodes if you see? See, one is @name equal to password. Then again if I come down, here can you see type is equal to password. Okay, this also matches. Getting? Then the another thing if I come, type equal to password, this also matches. Then again here also type is equal to password. So that means when I give star for the attribute level, that also matches same as like input. Okay, understood? If I give here star, that also will be same. So I can give for tag name and then for attribute. Can I give it for this value? Can you see no matching node? I can give like this. This will match anything. That is a name which has any attribute. But I cannot give equal to star like this. Otherwise, single quote if I give also, that will not treat me anything. Can I give like this? User name is there, right? User star? No, it does not match. So values will be perfectly should be given. But there is another option if I want to give my values in an approximate way. So for that, I need to give. So instead of using @name equal to username, I can use contains, open the parenthesis, then close it here. Then we are going to find an approximate match. So it should not be equal to. Equal to always is a perfect match. I can give comma, then enter. Then here if I give now, instead of username, see now username I got it. Now we will give only user. Now also it will match. Okay. Now if I give only name, that also matches. Only NA, that also match. A, 6 matching nodes. Okay, see, name equal to password. So this also A comes over here. That way it matches. Then if I come down, username A comes over there. That also matches. Then here also forgot password. So A comes over there. That also matches. So value level, if I want to do an approximate match, I need to use contains. Clear, right? For attribute level and then for the tag level, I can use star. And then for these things, we have to give contains for the value level. That's it. Clear for everyone? That is what about matching an element with the stars. To refer attribute, you use @ symbol. And then for this approximate match for the values, contains we use. Clear? So I'll to refer text, we use text function. Okay, for perfect match, it's equal to. Then for no match, not. So what is this? That means now what I will give, I'll give user. So it's only one match. Now I'm going to give not open braces and then close here. Now it's, if you see, it is 11 matching nodes. So that means it's going to give you an attribute, that is an input tag with an attribute value name which does not contain user. See now it's password here, right? So I'll just take this one password and then I'll give year now. 10 matching nodes. So name equal to submitted, name equal to username, name equal to PWD, this one name equal to remember, like that. Okay, like that it can give. So now it's 10 matching nodes. Now what I will do, the class is text field, right? So I will try to give like this, and contains @class comma, I can give @class comma text field. Now can you see it's 5 matching nodes? Can anyone tell me what is the output I'm trying? Anyone can tell me? Hey, hi Pranani. Can you tell me what is this output right now? Like what I got?
It doesn't. I mean, the password will not retrieve.
That means it should not contain
It should not contain
value for the name attribute. Then
it should have class and text field.
Text field value for the class attribute. Okay. So then now I'll give and @type equal to text. Now it's only 2 matching nodes. Now that means what? I have given another extra one more condition, and then the type also should be text. Okay, that's the thing. Now I'll give or. Now it's 10 matching nodes. Can anyone tell me what are this? I'll ask. Hey, hi Ranjit. Can you tell me what is this?
Yeah, it should not contain password, or it contains a type as text and text field, class as text field.
Okay. Then
And its type should be text.
so the mandatory information is for me right now actually what? The name is password. Is it like that? That is my side, it should not contain password. Okay, that is first. Then or sorry guys, or @class equal to text field and type is equal to text. So here what is the type? It's hidden. But here once it comes or, now what's happening means it's going to check here contains class text field, and then type equal to text will become as actually what? And or condition level. So what I'll do, I'll move this one here now. Now can you see? Now only 5 matching nodes. Now the thing is, it should not contain password, and then it should contain text. Then the class text field, it might or might not contain here. Okay, that's the thing. The class text field, it might or might not contain. See, for these things, classes text field. Okay, type also is given text over there. That's the thing. Okay, this is a bad example. Okay, I'll come to the next thing. So everyone understood over there what is the usage of not, contains, and then contains, and then usage of and or. Clear, right? So now the thing. Now for us, okay. So to select last element, all those things we'll see. Before that, we'll see preceding sibling. and following sibling. Okay, what is that? Okay, so right now for me here, if I come, I'll come to this input tag. From the input tag, if I come to the parent, okay, so what is this? Is the TD tag, correct? So this will get me my parent this information. From here, if I want to jump to the TD tag, okay, so what I need to do? So I'll just give /name equal to /input @name equal to username. I'll give. It's a one matching node, which is this. Now from here, if I want to come to the TD tag, I need to give like this TD one matching node. This one. So from here, if I want to come to this guy, he is not a parent. He's a brother. Okay, he's an elder brother. Okay, if I want to come to the elder brother, I need to give here two semicolon. Then I need to give here preceding hyphen sibling. Then I need to give. So what is the tag I need to give here? That is the TD. Sorry. Second, I just got. Yeah, it should be / preceding sibling. Okay. Then after that, give : the tag name is TD. Now can you see? So before this, my output is this TD tag. Okay, that is the text box. I want to come to the username text, which is the elder brother. So for that, I need to give / preceding hyphen sibling : TD. Now can you see from here it will move to this tag username text. Getting? This is how you can go to the the younger brother to the elder brother. Same thing, if I want to come from the elder brother to the younger brother, what I need to do? Okay, so for that, for example, I'll give everyone understood preceding sibling, right? So this is how. So if I give like this, so my output will be what? So right now, if I give one the for this, my output will be this text box. Now if I give this TD is a name preceding sibling TD, now my output will be actually what? This guy. Will be this, and then it will be the username text. Okay, the next one is following sibling. Following sibling. So how to work on the following sibling? So let me move it down. So for example, I'll come here, I'll take this TD tag and then the username text, /TD text function is equal to the username text. Clear? So now it's matching the username text. So from here, I need to go to the younger brother. Okay, following sibling means younger brother. Okay, so that means I need to give / following -sibling : then again if we give TD, it matches this. Clear? It matches this TD tag. That's it. Clear for everyone? This is how to work on with the following sibling. Preceding sibling goes to the elder brother. Following sibling comes to the younger brother. That's the thing. So if I give so for this, my output will be this guy. This will be my output. Clear, guys? Everyone understood? So next, we have seen about everyone clear about the preceding sibling and following sibling, right? Anyone has any question on this? Now we'll see about the descendant and then ancestor. Okay, if everyone is clear about the preceding sibling and following sibling, I'll go to the descendant. So preceding sibling will go to the elder brother. This guy will go to the younger brother. Okay, so next is we are going to see about the descendant. So what is this descendant? So we saw here from this table tag, if I want to come to the input tag, what I need to do, I need to give like this /table @class equal to text fields table. That gives you 3 matching nodes. Okay, that one is this. Then from here, if I want to come to the input tag, so after the table, it is tbody, correct? /tbody /tr tag, then /td tag. Now it gives you 2 matches. Now if I want to come to the /input, now again it will be 2 matches because actually there is a same concept will come for the next tr tag also. Okay. Okay, input tag name is username. @name equal to username. Correct, right? So this is one way. The another way is what means. Okay, so instead of giving all these things, what I can do after the table tag. Okay, so I need to come to the input tag, right? So I can directly give /descendant : and then the tag name is what I need to go. Approximate child is input tag. 7 matching nodes. In that, mine is actually what? @name equal to username, right? @name equal to username. Clear? Descendant to come to the approximate child. Okay. descendant. Guys, if I'm going fast or something, let me know. This is finding approximate child. Okay, so this will be so what will be my output for this means my text box. Okay, descendant can also be done like this also. There is another option. So instead of doing this descendant, I can also do like this, double / then the tag name input @ name equal to username. There is another option. This is also you can be done. This also gives you the same output. You can use descendant, otherwise you can use double / for that. Both output will be same. Okay, so the output will be the input tag and then my text box. Both the output will be same here. Okay, so now we know how to find approximate child, approximate parent. From this input tag, if I want to go to the parent, okay, the table tag, how I need to do this? Okay, so double / input. Now I'm here. From here, if I want to go to the parent, what I used to do from the input tag, if I want to go to the next parent is what? TD. Open the square brace and then close the square brace. That will come here. From this TD tag, TR tag. Open and close it. Then from TR tag, T body. Close it. Then from this T body, table tag. This is how we used to come. Correct, right? So this is one way. That is, we are going to see about ancestor. Approximate parent. That is a grandparent. Okay, so to get this guy, so the normal way is like this. So this will get you this entire information. This is the normal way. So using ancestor, what can I do? Directly, I can just give double / input @ name equal to username. Now from here, if I want to go to the parent, the table tag, I can just give / ancestor : then what is my parent? That is table. Gives me 7 matches. But the thing is actually what? It gives you all the parent informations of that. See, this is the table. This is the place actually what? Where you have that input tag, which is name is username. So for this guy, the first parent actually what? The grandparent is table. Then for this table, again there is a grandparent actually what? Another table. And then it gives this table, all these actually what? Parent table over there. So if you want to get the perfect information, you have to also use this property value also. @class equal to text fields table. Now can you see that 7 matching nodes? Now it will be only 1 because I'm matching the table with the approximate value. Sorry, the value of it. That's the thing. This also gives me this output. Clear, right? So this will be the output for this. Anyone has any confusions on understanding this preceding sibling following descendant ancestor? Everyone is clear, guys? Please ping me in the chat windows yes if you have understood this concept. Preceding following sibling, everyone understood, right? Cool. Cool, guys. So now the next one, we'll see about what is this last, all those things. Okay, so now, okay, before that we'll see the usage of this position, all those things we'll see. So how to work on with positions, all those things is, okay. So for example, /table @class equal to text fields table. Then from this /tbody, then /tr. Now the thing is, I want to go to the second tr, or I want to go to the first tr alone. I don't want the two matching here. Okay, so for that, what I can do over here means, okay, I can go with position. I can give here. That is here I don't have any property values for me to choose actually what perfectly go to this first tr or second tr. Okay, so I need to go through position only. So I need to give position equal to 1. If I give, can you see it goes, it selects only the first tr alone. If I give 2, goes to the second tr. Clear? Then from there, if I want to go to the next td/td, now can you see again to td, in that one, the first one, if I want to go, can you see two things are matching right now. If I want to go to the first one, td of position equal to 1 if I give, so in that, which td is the first one? So this password text over here, correct? So this will be highlighted now. Clear? This is how to use the position. So this is how to get the position over here. So for this table is class text fields table. Okay, so I'll also find it here. See here, the table is class text fields table. So this table, in that I need to go to the t body. So this is this t body. Then I need to go to the tr position of 2. That means there are 2 tr in that, the second tr position of 2, and then td position of 1. So there are 2 td in that, this one. So my output is this td password text. So I'll take that. the TD, the password text. This is my output. This will be my output. So also I can do one more thing. I need to go to the second TD tag. So 1 I can give equal to 2. Okay. So there is one more option. I can also give greater than 1. That also will go. So in case if I want multiple matches, which are all after that tags, so I can go with this. So for example, I'll go inside admin manager. So I'll show you with clear example now. So for example, I'll inspect this day. So if you see, this is a table holding this entire the top row. Okay, so in that there is first TR, then in that first TD. Okay, this is a first TD, first TR. Okay, see, right now the third TD is holding the time track 4, 5. The fifth TD is holding this TD, this task. Then sixth reports. So like that, I want to get. So if I go to the third TD, in that the A tag is holding my the time track, right? So now I'll go here. Table ID is equal to top nav. @ID equal to top nav. Now can you see? It's one matching node. Then if I give slash T body, now it matches this one. Now if I give TR 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first TR is mine. So I'll go with the first TR. So if I give TR, now 4 matching nodes. I can one give position equal to 1. That will get me 1. Otherwise, I can also give TR of 1 directly also. If I give TR of 2, goes to the second one. TR of 3 goes to the third one. I want the first one only. I'll go here. Okay, it went here. Now here, there are a lot of TD tags here. So if I give slash TD, 17 matches are there. Clear? So in that, if I want the TD tags, that is, I want users work schedule settings notification after that only. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From the 9th tag only, I have the users work schedule settings, all those things. I don't want which are all more than 8. Okay, I want from 9 only. So that means I can give the TD tag position is greater than 8. If I give, can you see? It has left out the first 8 tags. I can give like this. Otherwise, I can also give greater than or equal to 9. That means from the 9th tag, it will get me. Clear? Understood? I can also give like this. Another one, can I give like this? Greater than 8. This is not possible. TD of 8, like that I can give. If I want to give which is greater than or less than 8, see, greater than or equal to 9 if I give, that will give me all these things. I can also give less than or equal to 9. That means, so users, reports, task, all those things will come down. Okay, greater than or less than, low stakes if I want to use, I need to go with the help of the position. Otherwise, I can directly give the positions like this. The location. This is called as location, this is called as position. This is the difference. So why I need to use position means, if I want to use anything greater than or less than like that, I need to use perfect tags. If I want to use, I can go with this option. Clear for everyone? This is another way. Hope so no one is confused, right? On position, understanding position. Okay. Then after that, I'll go for this count all those things also. So now here TD of last LK. Now can you see it gets me the last tag. That is what I did means, so from the TR, when I give TD, it gives me all the 17 matches. Okay, if I give TD of last, that gets me the last tag. So I want to get the last tag less than 1. Okay, not the last tag, the before tag, then this. Just give last minus 1. When you give last minus 2, this one. Last greater than 2, it gives me everything. Okay. Last less than 2, nothing. Okay. Go with last or last minus 2 or 5 like that. So next, same thing like last, do we have first? No, we don't have. Only last is what we have, because first we can directly get it like this. Okay, last is the thing we don't know what is the node number. So that's why we have for that alone. Okay, when I give star, it matches everything. So that is what this last and last minus 1. The greater than and less than also we have seen. Okay, so now, right now, so TD, it gives me actually what, totally how much? 17 matches. So now for me, I can also get that information as an integer value also in Xpath. So if I just give here count of like this, that gets me actually what? The integer value 17. Okay, so why we use these things means, okay, so in Selenium level, okay, so for example, if I go to this drop downs or something like that, okay, I'll take an original example. So right now I need to know how many is there. I'll just take some big numbers. I'll take this. Okay, so now I'll go here, select tag here. This will show me, see this option tags, or actually what, all the tags inside that. So I'll just go here, /select @class equal to control border. It gives me one match. If I give /option, that gives me actually /option, that gives me 98 matches here. Integer value means line number. No, not line number. The count of the tags. So totally there are 98 tags are here. Okay, so now actually this output will be like actually what, my web element output, element information, element value. Okay, when I give count, what will happen means that will get me the number, totally 98 as my number, the 98 matching nodes. Before it gives me actually as an element value. Now actually this will give me as an integer value. Based on this number, I can run my for loop to go through one by one and then get my value of my information. Okay, to run my for loop, I need to know how many times I need to iterate and then get the value. Okay, so for that, what I do, I will just get the numbers here. 98. Okay, so I got the number. So here count I got. Okay, so then my value, so I'll just give you. So this will give me my output as actually what, 98. Correct. So now the thing is, based on this, I will run a for loop. I want to get all the text of this information. So what I will do, I'll remove this count now. Okay. Now with this help, I know actually what 98 is my 98 values are there in this drop down. I need to run my for loop for 98 times. Now I will give, see, option that gives me. So now the thing is actually what, this first information, if I want to go, I will give one matching node. So using the for loop, I will go actually what, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I will read all the text information over there. There is an option in Selenium to read the text information. Okay, then after that I will print, or I will just have that information in a what to say, in an Excel sheet or something. That's what I will be doing. Clear, right? So for that only we need this count. Okay, so these are all very important information in Selenium. Most of them actually, what if they don't know Xpath, they will be doing it in a very complex way. But if you know Xpath, you can do it in a single line of code. Clear, guys? Anyone has any questions? So this is about Xpath. Okay, so tomorrow we'll see some examples. That is actually what we'll take some examples, and then we'll try to work on with Xpath. So what are the things I have taught today? Just try to do a practice, and then just go to YouTube. Okay, compared to today's sessions, okay, everything actually what I have also explained in YouTube. So a good tutorial from my side I have given. Xpath by Murali, you just browse Xpath by Murali. So you can see Xpath basics to advanced here. Okay, just go to this. Okay, so here you can see Xpath basics to advanced. So from the very beginning, to the entire informations, everything I have actually what explained here. Okay, everything will be here. You can just have a look on this things here also. Okay, guys. So you can have a look here. So which will give you more idea also. Okay, that's what I want you guys to do. Okay, so tomorrow I'll be explaining about the Xpath Flipkart example I have already given. So we will take some Flipkart and then make my trip and then like different websites. So this is also another one. In case if you have time or if you're interested, you can have a look on this Xpath Flipkart example also. Okay, cool guys. So anyone has any questions for today's session? Anyone has any questions? Okay, cool. So please ping me in the chat messages if everyone has understood Xpath and then you guys know how to write Xpath. What are the topics today I have thought everyone are able to understand? Please ping me as yes if you have understood it clearly. Okay, cool. Okay guys, so tomorrow we'll meet by same time. Okay, thank you. Thanks guys.